I'm like a dog doing a zoo.
Dance, girl. Babe, how you feeling about this hike?
Oh, it is thrilling.
It
What
doesn't.
a thrilling experience.
I feel like we just entered the jungle.
We did. I wonder why. It's not part of the freaking trail.
This is part of the trail.
Where is the trail then?
We're on the trail.
This is not a... We're literally going under the freaking bushes right now. Like, this is like a path that hasn't been touched for freaking 20 years.
Babe, why do you gotta do things like this?
Welcome to Kauai.
Can't we just do normal things and hike?
I just found out why it's called Split Rock.
Why?
Because it's plea. I can easily fit here.
Oh, you know, just moseying around. Where did Lala go? Where's Lala?
Hi.
Oh, there she is.
Good morning.
Oh my gosh. She rock climbed all the way up there. It's pretty sweet. What you got? What you got? You can't catch this! Woo! Goodbye! Woo! We've made it! Woo! All right. This girl got so dirty. Look at this. Look at this. Babe, I told you not to play so hard out there.
But it was fun though.
Play hard? Or no, it's work hard, play harder.
Still going down in the country.